What if I told you there are side hustles that keep making money, even while you're focusing on other things? Imagine a world where your efforts today translate into income tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that, even when you're offline, sleeping, or on vacation. It's not a pipe dream, it's the reality of passive income. Think about waking up to notifications of sales while you were sound asleep, or checking your bank account from a beach in Bali and seeing your earnings grow. In this video, I'm revealing 4 side hustles that are truly passive. These aren't just theoretical ideas, they're proven methods that can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Not wishful thinking, not hype. We're cutting through the noise and focusing on what actually works. Forget the empty promises and the get-rich-quick schemes. Real income, real examples, starting now. We're talking about tangible results, strategies you can implement today, and seeing actual money flow into your accounts. Before we jump in, let's define passive. It's a term that's often misunderstood, so let's get clear on what we mean by passive income in the context of these side hustles. Passive income means you put in effort once, you invest your time and energy upfront to create something of value, and then continue earning over time without daily work. The goal is to build systems that generate revenue with minimal active involvement. Some upfront work is needed, but after that, it becomes hands-off. Think of it as planting a tree. You nurture it initially, but eventually, it provides shade and fruit for years to come with little additional effort. First up, digital products. This is a fantastic entry point into the world of passive income because the creation process is front-loaded. Think ebooks, share your knowledge, stories, or expertise in a digital book format. Notion templates, help others organize their lives and work with pre-built Notion setups. Printable planners, cater to the organization crowd with beautifully designed planners they can print at home. Fitness trackers, empower people to reach their health goals with easy-to-use fitness trackers, or AI prompts. With the rise of AI, prompts are becoming increasingly valuable. Once created, they can be sold over and over again. That's the beauty of digital products. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit potential. Example, Sarah created a $9 budget planner on Etsy. She identified a need in the market and created a simple, effective solution. She made it once, and now earns over $2,000 per month from it. That's the power of a well-designed digital product and a platform like Etsy. How to start: use Canva to design it. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly tool that makes designing digital products accessible to everyone, regardless of their design experience. Sell on Etsy or Gumroad. These platforms provide built-in audiences and easy-to-use selling tools. Promote via Pinterest or TikTok, even faceless videos work. You don't need to be an influencer to promote your products effectively. Pro tip: automate delivery and payments to make it 100% hands-off. Services like Zapier can connect your sales platform to your delivery system, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers and minimal work for you. Affiliate marketing can be passive, but only if you do it right. The key is to create content that continues to attract traffic and generate clicks on your affiliate links over the long term. Focus on evergreen content: blogs, YouTube videos, or niche sites. Evergreen content is content that remains relevant and valuable for years to come, that rank in search and keep bringing in traffic. This means optimizing your content for search engines so that it appears high in search results when people are looking for information related to your niche. Example: a simple blog post titled "Best Budgeting Apps for 2025. Even though the year changes, people will always be searching for the best budgeting apps. With affiliate links can make $100 to $500 per month for years. That's recurring income from a single piece of content. How to start: sign up for affiliate platforms like Share a Sale. These platforms connect you with thousands of brands and products you can promote. Or Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the largest and most popular affiliate programs in the world. Write content or make videos with product links. Be sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency and build trust with your audience. Focus on keywords with long-term search demand. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs can help you identify these keywords. Have design skills, music, or footage? License it. Don't let your creative work sit idle on your hard drive. That means someone pays to use your work. Whether it's for a website, advertisement, or film, and you get paid every time without doing a thing after the upload. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it income stream. Example: artists upload digital illustrations to Adobe Stock. These illustrations can be used by designers, marketers, and businesses around the world. Or music to Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound provides royalty-free music for video creators, podcasters, and businesses. A single upload can bring in hundreds of dollars passively. The more content you upload, the greater your potential earnings. How to start? Sign up on platforms like Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a leading global provider of stock photography, video, and music. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is integrated directly into Adobe Creative Cloud, making it easy for designers to access and use your content. Or Pond5. Pond5 is a marketplace for stock footage, music, sound effects, and other media assets. Upload your content, tag properly, and let the platforms do the selling. Accurate tagging is crucial for ensuring that your content is discoverable by potential buyers. Print on demand is a dream if done right. It allows you to sell custom-designed products without having to worry about inventory, printing, or shipping. You create a design, upload it to a platform like Redbubble or Teespring. These platforms have millions of potential customers, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. This frees you up to focus on creating more designs and marketing your products. Example: a graphic designer makes passive income. They leverage their existing skills to create designs that resonate with specific audiences. Selling niche t-shirts like Introvert Club or Dog Dad Life. These designs appeal to specific interests and passions, making them highly marketable, earning $300 to $1,000 per month. This is a great example of how a small amount of effort can lead to a significant stream of passive income. How to start? Use Canva to design catchy quotes or graphics. Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements that make it easy to create professional-looking designs. Upload to Redbubble. Redbubble is a popular platform for artists and designers to sell their work on a variety of products. Or TeePublic. TeePublic is another great option for selling print-on-demand products, with a focus on t-shirts and apparel. Promote with Pinterest pins or TikTok slideshows. These platforms are highly visual and can be very effective for driving traffic to your print-on-demand store. The secret to success with passive side hustles is consistency. It's about putting in the work up front and then maintaining your systems over time. None of these are get rich quick, but they can become get rich slowly. These are strategies for building long-term wealth and financial security, with powerful results. Over time, the cumulative effect of these passive income streams can be truly transformative. Start with one idea, master it, automate, then stack others. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one strategy, get it working, and then add another. Bonus tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Notion AI. These tools can help you generate ideas, create content, and automate tasks. To streamline everything, from ideation to writing to automation, AI can be a powerful ally in your quest for passive income. Like what you saw? Hit that like button. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Subscribe for more ways to make millions. We're dedicated to providing you with the best strategies for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And drop a comment. Which passive hustle are you starting first? We'd love to hear about your plans and goals. Let us know in the comments below.